my crafty friends, welcome back to the channel.
Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're staying crafty and beautiful as well. And in today's video, I finally got my journal. This is the Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal Swap hosted by Creates, Vanesa here in Instagram and YouTube. So yeah, so I got my journal. I'm so excited. So let's roll the camera. So yeah, here is my journal. And inside the bag, I found these tweezers and happy birthday card. And then see who sent me this card. Oh, Erica. Oh, isn't that nice? She sent me this beautiful card that I'm gonna use definitely in my junk journal. And all these stickers. So cute. Thank you, Erica. Oh, how thoughtful. I just enjoy this Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal Swap. And this is one of the cards, I guess. One. So, and let's take a look. And I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see better. And it has this Hello Kitty clipper, which I love. Love, love, love. All the stickers. And here's the checked in. And the photos of all my crafty friends, new friends. So cute. Then I have these take some stickers. Yeah, somebody had left some stickers in, yeah. So these are all the stickers here. And this is one of the interactive pages. This was like my learning step on how to make these journals. And yeah, so I love all the little stickers, things that they love. And here is next 5 things continued. Yeah, so these are all the 5 things. And here's Krista. I love her spread, so pretty, super cute. And she loves Hello Kitty. I bet she probably is the one who gave me the Hello Kitty clip. And wow, look at this beautiful garden of butterflies. I love butterflies, so cute. Love her spread. And then Erica, so cute. And her fun facts. And then she had a Tuscan chicken pasta. A recipe that I'm definitely gonna try. And here's Xiomara, her page, super cute. I love all the stickers, her photo. She's so beautiful. And here's Wendy. She is from Texas. I love this cowbell. Super, super duper cute. And then, hello, I'm Jessica. This is Jessica's spread. Super cute. Super, super, super cute. And then Amanda. Love her spread too as well. Love the bear. The guest check-in. You see, by doing or participating in the Sisterhood of the Traveling Journals, you get so many ideas, so much talent from all the crafters. And here is a page from Eliza. I enjoy. She has a YouTube channel as well. I'm going to list all the ladies' social media handles in the description box below, so you can go ahead and follow them as well. She's one of the talented crafters in Instagram and YouTube. Love her channel, by the way. And I love this spread. She lives in Las Vegas. And then she's the host of this swap. Sort of creates Vanesa card. And then here are pictures of her family and pets. And love all the stickers, the lace that she put on here. Super cute. And she did another interactive page, 3D miniature scene. Love that. Super cute. And then she included more miniature scenes. And then she did a Sisterhood quilt as well. How cute. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And I think there's something here. Oh, there we go. A lady in this pocket. So she created a pocket. How smart. Like that. And then this is Jenny. Love her Lisa Frank style kind of spread. And these are her pets. Super cute. And let's see. And then on the back, there's some stickers and some things that was left for me. Let's see what we have here. My goodness, I got so many stickers. I'm so excited about it. And all the ideas from the Crafty Friends. Oh, this is the ephemera. Let's take a look at the ephemera. How pretty. Oh, how cute. I've never seen this ephemera. So pretty. Traveler's Guide. So pretty. I am definitely going to use this one for another Sisterhood of Traveling journal that I joined. Definitely. Thank you. Thank you. Super cute. Super cute. Yeah, so I hope you have enjoyed watching this flip through of my journal.